If you are the administrator of the software, from the section Account Management, you can create new users profile. By clicking on User Management, you'll find the list of the users you have previously created in the software, and you'll be able to create a new user. So you just have to fill the form with his or her user details, so his email address, his password to access the software. You have to enter his or her contact details, so name, title, preferred language used then in the software. Here you can write the name which will appear every time the user will send an email to external people. And here the job role of this user in your company. So for example, HR manager, if he is an HR manager in your company. Here you can assign this user to a site, a location, a division, a department in your company. And here you can fill the form with other additional details. By clicking on Save, the profile will be saved and ranked and listed with the others in your user list. For every user you can set a number of video, for example, so video interviews the user can request candidates for, or a number of job slots, so to post job ads through the software. For every user you can set hierarchy. That's to say, you can decide whose people this user can access activities, or which people this user can control, can manage. You just have to select one or more, or select all users. By clicking on Save, your hierarchy will be saved. You can also set permissions for this user. That's to say, you can select which options, so which features or functionalities of the software this user can access, can use. For example, you want this user to access ATS, or request for video interviews, use multiposting, and so on. You just have to select the features and save your permission. Permissions can also be set from your account management by clicking on permissions management. So you'll find the list of all the users of the software, and you just have an overview of their permissions in the software.